All right, welcome back to my virtual classroom. This lesson is especially for my grade 8 and 9 students who have started learning about surface area. So this is a cylinder, and today I'll be teaching you how to find the surface area of cylinder. So there is a formula, universal formula, which you need to know. So surface area for cylinders formula is 2 pi r height plus 2 pi r square. So again, I'm going to read 2 pi r height plus 2 pi r square is the surface area of a cylinder. Surface area, as we all know that we have done previously, surface area is the area of each individual side. And why do we have this formula? Because when we unfold, when we open the cylinder, it gives us a kind of rectangle shape and it has a square at the, a circle when we open the cylinder, when we unfold it, because it has the bottom has a circle shape over here. All right, so that's why we use this formula. So you guys should know the universal value of pi is 3.14. All right, so the diameter, in this question, they have given us the diameter that is 4. But we don't have a diameter in our equation. So as I told in my previous video, in my previous lessons, that the radius is always the half of a diameter. If the diameter is 4, then the radius will be 2. Radius is always a half of your diameter. So now we're going to start replacing inserting the values in the equation, and simple, very easy to solve the area, to find the area of cylinder using the formula. So the formula is, I'm going to start doing it from here. So 2 times pi. Pi, we all know it's 3.14. 3.14 times r. R is the radius, that's times 2. Times height. What is the height? Height is 6. Plus 2 times, when there is nothing in between a number and a variable, let's consider pi. Pi is not a variable because it has a constant value. So if nothing is mentioned, then we always do multiplication. So 3.14 times r squared. So 2 times 2. All right, so now we have inserted our values. We're going to solve it. So first we're going to solve this chunk, and then we're going to solve this chunk, and then we're going to add it up. Okay, so I'm going to use my calculator quickly so that I don't make any mistakes. So I'm going to times 2 times 3.14 times 2 times 6. That gives me 75.36 centimeters squared, plus I'm going to times all these. So 2 times 2, 4, 4 times 2, 8. 8 times 3.14, that's going to give me 25.12. Now I'm going to add these two sides. Centimeters squared, when I'm going to add 75.36. That's going to give me 100 equals 100.48 centimeters squared. Simple. Very easy. Just you need to insert your formula. Write down your formula and replace the variables, the letters with the values given. But please don't get confused. This is the diameter. Sometimes they will be giving you simple the radius. Then you just use the radius as is. All right, so it's simple, easy peasy. Just insert the values and solve it as you go. Make sure don't add 6 like these two numbers first. No, make sure you have brackets so you can solve this part and this part separately, and then you can add it up. All right, easy peasy. If you have any question, do let me know.